Hey guys, whenever I'm talking to people who aren't from Canada and they find out that's where I live, they've got two things they usually say. The first one is that they hear it's a beautiful place. My response to that is absolutely. When you get the chance, you have to come here. The second thing they comment, especially if it's the winter, is that they hear it's a really cold place to be. My answer to that is it depends on what you think cold is, and it depends on where you go. Today I want to tell you about the warmest location that you can visit when you come to Canada in the winter. What's up guys, how you living? Hope you're doing well today wherever you are, whatever you're up to. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name's Dan King. I live on Vancouver Island off the west coast of Canada, a country that's known for its beautiful snow-covered landscapes and bone-chilling temperatures in the winter months. But it's important to note that not the entire country gets that cold. Some places, like where I'm at, it's the middle of winter right now, never really get down below, 0 Celsius or maybe -1 or 2 Celsius. In fact, this last week, there's a polar vortex that's poured over much of Canada.
And these were the real cold temperatures. In fact, -52 in parts of the Northwest Territories. Monthly records set across parts of Saskatchewan, parts of northern Alberta as well. And these wind chills in the -50s, Alberta, Saskatchewan, -60s.
So there's more to the story of Canada than just snow. And today we're going to talk a little bit more about that. So as I mentioned, Vancouver Island is off the west coast of Canada. 32,000 square kilometers of land to explore. Cities, beaches, mountains with ski resorts, epic surfing, and everything in between. There's a mountain range that runs down the center of it. It's accessible by plane, it's accessible by ferry. You can just put your car right on the ferry, 2 hours, hour and a half, depending what port you leave from to get to the island. It's an absolutely beautiful place to be, and it is in fact the most mild spot, the warmest spot in Canada in the winter months. Now, one of the most scenic spots in the entire island, and I've got to say there are scenic spots everywhere you turn your head, but one of the best, I think, is the Pacific Rim National Park, which is on the far east coast of Vancouver Island. It's a spot you've got to get to. It's located between the towns of Ucluelet and Tofino, two beautiful communities that you've got to check out. It's famous for the best winter surfing, I've been told, in all of the world. Windsurfing is big out there. Kite surfing, not so much, but I've seen it on the waters out there as well. Sea kayaking near the Broken Group Islands is spectacular. As well, I've been told there's some incredible scuba diving, especially during the winter months over in that area. Now, the truth is that often people come to Tofino in the summertime. It's often a summer destination in people's mind. But winters like this, how can you not go there? You've got the place not quite to yourself, but pretty close. During the days, you get outside and explore, and during the nights, you just cozy up by a fire in one of the incredible resorts or hotels in the area. And then pop into Tofino or Ucluelet and try out some of the really cool little restaurants and places to kind of hang out during the early evenings. And then you retire for the night. actually found an article recently that kind of gave an overview of the actual warmest spot. Like they average temperatures out and these kind of things for Canada. And it is on Vancouver Island. It's on the southern tip of Vancouver Island. It's the city of Victoria, which Charlie and I have gone to on many an occasion. Here's some of the stats that the article mentioned about Victoria. It says that Victoria does indeed hold the title for the warmest city in Canada during the winter, with daily average highs reaching around 9 Celsius and nightly lows to around 4 Celsius. So that's pretty warm considering how cold Canada gets, especially now this week as this Arctic vortex kind of rolls itself in. It also says the average annual snowfall for Victoria is about 25 centimeters, which actually surprised me. That seems like a lot. I'm pretty sure up here in Parksville, where I live, it's a lot lower. I mean, we maybe get 1 or 2 days an entire year of snow. This year, I think back in December, we got a morning of snow, and by the evening, it was all gone. And so snow doesn't stay here long. When it stays, sometimes, but apparently Victoria, a little bit more on average every year. So that's Victoria. Great place to go and visit when you're on the island in the winter. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of a glimpse into winters in Canada. Have you ever been to Canada in the winter? Where did you go? Was it snow or was it really mild like here on the West Coast? Leave a comment below and let me know. And we're trying to get 50 thumbs up, 50 likes on this video. So hit the like button, participate. Let's see if we can shoot it over that. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that. Hit the notifications bell, all that great stuff so you don't miss the next video. And now it's your turn to get off the couch, get outside, and enjoy creation wherever you are. Have a great one. Peace. What did you say?
You gonna try my pistachio drink?
Yeah. Pistachio. And it's a Frappuccino?